Okay.
Now do you want to jump down?
No, don't scare her.
Mommy, drop her, she could fly.
No, that wouldn't be nice.
And how do I get down? Well, I get it. I can go down here together.